Today we are going to set up a working environment for our courses, and we are going to install Chrome, Visual Studio Code, pycham, and Python. So pretty much what we need in our course. So the first thing, we are going to install Python. So you go Google, you just type download Python, and you choose the latest version called 3.8.1 or 3.7.6. Either of them are good. If you are on Windows, you got to choose Python for Windows. I'm not going to do the step-by-step, but you can always find the video in YouTube. So you just go YouTube and saying install Python. And you can choose how to install Python 3.8 on Windows 10, or how to download install Python 3.7.4 on Windows 10 A7. There's one step I want you to be aware of, is like during your installation, you got to remember to add Python to the path, especially in Windows. Okay, so after you got the installation, you go back to your start button, and you go all the way, all programs. You should see there is a folder here called Python 3.8, and if you want to go to the terminal, like this command prompt, and you type Python, and you got something called 3.8.1 here, and now you can try something fun like print hello world. Here you go. Okay, so the next one is you need to install pycham. So the same step, you need to go Google, you type download pycham, and you click. Now you should download the community version for pure Python development, and you click download, and you got something like this, okay? So you just double click, follow the step by step. If you have any question, the same thing, you just come over here and type pycham. So they will give you a lot of guidance to do how to install pycham on Windows 10. The next thing we are going to install is for our JavaScript lessons. So I assume you already has Chrome. If you don't, you do the same thing. You go to just download Chrome, and you should be able to install it. But most of the kids might have the problem when after we install, and you can't find the inspect in your right-click menu. If you do have this problem, just let me know. I will send you some link how to fix it. And the next thing is we are going to install Visual Studio Code. So you do the same thing. You Google install Visual Studio Code, you click, and choose your version. If you are on Linux, you choose Linux version, Windows version, and Mac. And the same thing, you go back to YouTube and VS Code and choose one of them and follow them, you should be good to go. Now, the last thing we want you to install is NoDoc.js. You can also do the same thing. You go Google and saying NoDoc.js, and you click NoDoc.js and find the link to the download version and click install. Like if you are on Windows, you should click Windows. I'm not going to download here. And after that, I want you to try all of them. Like for example, I have downloaded all this. You double click the installation. Once finished, you will do exactly what we did for the Python. For example, you can do node, and you see that there's NoDoc.js version 12, and you can type help, or you can just like console.log hello world, and here you go. It's hello world. Once you have finished your installation, you should find your all your things here. You should get an icon here, like Visual Studio Code or pycham. So I will open them. Most of the time I want to pin them here because I don't want to find them all the time. So you pin this program to the taskbar. And at the meantime, you can try the pycham. Just make sure they are working, and we are good to go. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Oh, there's one more thing. It's better to create a folder in your desktop. So you just come here and right click and new, and you set projects. So we will build our projects inside this folder. Okay, we are going to see you in the next video.